Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Pavoni. This machine was brought in because the customer reported overheating, and what we had found is we put on our own tester pressure gauge up here on top of the tank, compared it with the one that the machine had been brought in. We found that the pressure gauge was reading higher than it should have been, and so we put a new one on, and you can see that they are reading pretty much the same. So we have an accurate read on the pressure gauge, and then we also noticed that it was overheating. Pressure was building above 1.5 bar, and so then we needed to replace the pressure stat, which is what regulates the pressure of the machine by providing or cutting electricity from the heating element. So here it is at the right pressure, right temperature holding, and we're going to test it. Beautiful. All right, it's going to stop at about 1 ounce. That's the right size. Okay, now let's test the steam. Looking good. All right, there it is. La Pavoni heating once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.